The Pahalgam incident happened right before the Bihar's election in India, which is usually a time when politics gets quite intense there. After the incident, some Indian news channels they blamed Pakistan without showing solid proof. They linked it to something called Operation Sindoor and pushed for a very strong reaction. Pakistan said it was ready for a fair, neutral investigation and that it condemns all kinds of terrorism, while India did not accept the offer. The UN supported Pakistan's call for an investigation. Meanwhile, India's top security officials they held several meetings and blamed Pakistan-based groups. Later, things got worse in IIOJK as 2 civilians died in Baramulla and parts of Srinagar were locked down. India also suspended the Indus Water Treaty, an important water sharing deal backed by the World Bank. Pakistan stayed calm, repeated its offer to help the investigation, and also sent back India's military advisors. Pakistan Senate also passed a resolution against aggression. On the borders, tensions grew. There were reports of Indian Air Force bombing areas, closed border points and fighting along the LOC. A group called the Resistance Front said Pakistan wasn't involved, but in its Twitter account was blocked by India. Many see Indians move on water and the border as a way to pressurize Pakistan for two sides. In response, Pakistan increased its defense. The Air Force ran exercise Zarb-e-Haidari to show its strength and border security, stopping infiltration attempts. Overall, the Pahalgam incidents look like a part of a very bigger pattern. It's important to stay alert, focus on facts and keep talking to avoid more problems in the region.